Heavy hands, pick. Hands down, come on, hands down. Offense, go. Re-attacks, come on.
Sprawl, get your leg back. Leg back.
Come up with it, come up. Stand up. Stand up, don't go to a hip.
Come on, Kyle. Come on, Kyle. There you go.
Come on, let's go, recover
Build
here.
build your base, right up. Keep
No. Go forward.
Go forward.
Build your base.
One of yours is good, Isaiah. He's up after this one was ended.
Come on, Kyle, come on.
Short time.
There you go.
Hey, later, come on, you're better than that, come on. Hey, dig deep, you're better than that. Come on.
Hey, it's only 5 points, kid.
Let's go.
Red the first, green.
Got this, buddy.
Top.
Green takes top.
Hey, you got this, ankle.
There you go, Kyle. Come on.
Watch.
Lock it up.
Come on, Kyle.
Belly.
There you go. Come on, bud. Come on, Kyle.
Come on.
Come on, bud. Get up.
Don't trail an arm. There you go, swamp it. There you go, now stand up. Stand up with the pressure. Stand up with the pressure. Good job, stand up. You're out. Stand up, take it off your, just peel it off and stand. Put that ankle down.
Come on, Kyle. Come on, Kyle.
Build your base. There you go, head up.
Come on, you gotta move under there. Roll that wrist and go. Get laced out. There you go.
Come on.
Don't trail your arm.
Come on, Kyle.
Come on, Kyle, you gotta move under there.
Right, come on. Come on, Kyle. Come on, Kyle.
Head, look away. Watch that half. Look away.
Come on, Kyle. Come on, Kyle. Come on, Kyle.
Watch it up.
The next one is until Jesse, which is 82. So I should have...
Hey, Kyle. Come on, you gotta move under there, buddy. Don't trail your left arm.
Is somebody else on this mat now?
No, we don't have anything till Jesse.
Move. Get him off your ankle.
Come on, Kyle.
Let's go.
You got this. Come on.
No.
Let's go. Your offense here, kid. Your offense. Sprawl. To the leg.
Come on, kid.
Hey, I like the aggression. Keep after it. I like it.
Come on, Kyle.
Come on, don't walk into one.
Circle a little bit.
You got it, bud. Come on. Come on, Kyle. Come on, Kyle. Get out of that.
Get your arm through.
There you go. Come on, Kyle.